inside the most expensive RVs in the world. When we say RV, the first thing that comes to your mind is just a normal, comfy motorhome for traveling that shouldn't cost too much. Well, these rides are proving us all wrong. From opulent features to breathtaking designs, these RVs are showing us that they can be super rides too. These babies will cost you quite a handful of the good green stuff. Welcome back to our channel, and today we fill you in on the most expensive RVs in the world. So sit back and watch these kings go. Let's get right into it. Number 5. Country Coach Prevost. Making number 5 on our list of expensive motorhomes is the Country Coach Prevost, which is worth a whopping $1 million. Did you ever imagine an RV being worth $1 million or over? The Country Coach Prevost, which gives a blend of magnificent aerodynamic aesthetics with opulent features, was initially created to uphold traveling and turn it into a master art. The design and luxurious features of this baby are made to offer you the best travel experience you could have ever imagined. This baby comes with plenty of rooms, and each room has beautiful and elegant furnishings, including porcelain, cedarwood, and quartz to give it the touch of elegance it so rightly deserves. This baby also comes with the best appliances to make being on the road easy and more comfortable. This baby sounds like the perfect home, and we promise you it's worth the money. Number 4. Ford Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach. Gracing number 4 on this exquisite list is the Ford Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach with the total price of $1.3 million. It can only get better from here. Every model of the Ford Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach comes with a custom design for both the interior and exterior of the motorhome. This ride comes with a custom-built chassis that happens to be similar to the ones used in aviation, those that distribute variation through the walls, floor, subfloor, and roof to make sure the passengers get the quietest ride possible. Isn't that something to smile about? This RV matches the style and taste of any future owner due to its custom design feature, making it one gem of a motorhome. This RV features a cabin and walls made of steel and not aluminum, a custom laminate cabinetry, a motorized king-size bed, and 2 master vanities. You will also find a full bathroom at the back of this mansion on wheels with a dryer, a custom shower, a washer, and a huge closet. It also has a magnificent kitchen with all the right appliances and a living room with luxurious and elegant designs and furnishings. And concerning the exterior of this ride, you can choose any colors you like: red and gray, gray and yellow, or blue and black. Make your choice. Other features of the Ford Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach is the battery, which happens to be the best RV battery on the market, a 20,000 kilowatt generator, a hydronic heating system, air disc brakes on all wheels, with some other optional features that can be added on the order of the future owner. What a ride! What a home! Number 3. Prevost H345 VIP. Moving on to the top 3 of our list, we have the Prevost H345 VIP kicking things off. This baby has a total price of $1.6 million, so no surprise that it's making the top 3. The Prevost H345 VIP is known to most as the tallest, roomiest, and proudest RV of all the luxury RVs, and somehow makes it a slogan. This magnificent motorhome model raised all expectations to a way higher level. The cabin floor of this beauty gives better views while providing more storage space at the same time. The Prevost H345 VIP models are even equipped with a universal remote control. This remote control is used to activate all the functions of this home on wheels, and even the equipment can be controlled remotely. What in the world? The interior of this motorhome is quite modern and features sofas, chairs, a pretty wooden floor, a small desk, equipped kitchen, and 1 large bedroom. This baby is one of the best looking and comfortable motorhomes on the market. Owners can customize it to their own style to get the motorhome of their dreams. That's why this baby makes number 3 on the most luxurious and expensive motorhomes that money can buy. Number 2. Featherlight Vanterra Platinum Plus. We hope you're excited. On number 2, we have the Featherlight Vantera Platinum Plus. This baby has a top price of $2.5 million, so there are no questions as to its spot on this list. This motorhome is a jewel on wheels made from a Prevost bus shell and fully equipped with some of the most opulent amenities you can get your hands on, such as a rare Inca marble, Swarovski crystals, paralyzed leather from Italy, copper, onyx, Sapel Pommel found in Africa, rare Schombeck crystals, and many, many more. Some of these names might be hard to pronounce, but that doesn't make them any less luxurious. If you check out Featherlight's portfolio, you will find several different motorhomes. Some include Coach 0741 Naples, which features touch control panels and a dazzling Volvo D13 engine. You will also discover another motorhome called Coach 1142 Marabella, which features a QLED, smart 4K Samsung TV, and a large stateroom. The Featherlight Vantera Platinum Plus has some breathtaking features, like a plasma TV, a stainless steel dishwasher, a sub-zero refrigerator, a built-in treadmill, and a driving helm with an AVIC 9.2 GPS with weather alerts and real-time traffic. And if all those don't make the cut for you, the Featherlight Vantera Platinum Plus also has a slide-out garage for your sports car. Say goodbye to your actual house because this motorhome has it all. Kinda justifies its top spot on our list. Number 1. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo. Finally, we have the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo topping our list and pretty much every other list of the most expensive luxury motorhomes in the world. This motor has a total price of a whopping $3 million, and we believe that says it all. $3 frickin' million for an RV. Unbelievable! The Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo brings a blend of elements from aviation, motorsports, and yachting into one high-performance carbon fiber motorhome with a beautiful view and, of course, outstanding functionality. This motorhome is the most expensive and most impressive RV you could buy right now. And you might think that this futuristic yet elegant motorhome is a custom job, but it's not. This motorhome was designed by Austrian manufacturer Marchi Mobile. This luxurious yacht on wheels is constructed with a Volvo engine on a Volvo chassis, and the chassis design and powerful engine is inspired by the trucks Marchi Mobile used to make. You might wonder why there's so much power needed. This is so because of the interior of the motorhome. Most of the interior is made out of marble, so there is a lot of weight to carry. The luxurious interior design is elegant enough to appear gaudy. You can take this beauty of a motorhome to every corner of the world. The Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo has a lot of breathtaking features. These include a wall thickness of over 60 millimeters, a top deck that is accessible through a stairwell, a large screen TV, a 4-meter couch area, a wine cabinet, a bar, an ice maker access, and a kitchenette. One of the major highlights of the motorhome is its Sky Lounge, which offers a canopy for shade and seating at the top of the vehicle. The Sky Lounge offers a panoramic view of the surroundings. It's like being on the rooftop of a nightclub. Most motorhomes don't feature a Sky Lounge, so this is one key feature. This mobile mansion also features a rainfall shower, a spa area for light therapy, and furniture with a large storage capacity. It also has enough storage space for outdoor lounge furniture. This motorhome comes with enough living space to provide the owner and guests with all the comfort they desire. The bedroom also comes with bed linen of the highest quality from Italy and a dressing table. Another mind-blowing feature of the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo is the driver's cab. The organic and beautiful curved lines featured in the motorhome were designed by Luigi Colani, who, if you didn't know, contributed designs to vehicles in the BMW, Fiat M, and the Alfa Romeo lines. This driver's cab takes things to a whole new level. The offset of the driver's console allows for a perfect view from the passenger side. The round window also offers a panoramic view of the motorhome's surroundings, and the 3-pronged windshield wiper is reminiscent of a propeller, thereby giving the driver's cab the feel of a cockpit. Phew! Many of us might not be able to afford the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo, but we can always admire this beautiful and imaginative motorhome from afar, or from YouTube in this instance. What a beauty! Well, that's all for today's video. What do you think about these RVs? Would you like to own any? Which is your favorite? Don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video.